Do you sometimes feel that you are lacking in productivity and don't have enough time? Well, I had the same issue as you, and let me tell you, as an account executive, there's a solution. So with Qolaba, I have had so much improvement. I have more time to do other stuff, preparing well for my calls, get more client relationships, and this is because you have everything in one place. So before I was using Claude, Gemini, ChatGPT for different reasons, image generation, prompt generation, data analysis, and now I have everything in one place. Plus the good thing is that, let's say I'm using a data analysis with Claude or with Perplexity, then I can ask ChatGPT to write a prompt so that I can generate an image about this, and then I just go to the image generation tool, Nano Banana Pro, implement the prompt, and then it generates me up to 8 images in the 9:16 format for Instagram or for Pinterest. And with this tool, it helps a lot because you save a lot of time. You have more time to prepare for your calls, get a better client relationship, and you have also some time to research other stuff. So what is trending? What could be implemented in the next time, in the next call for your client? And what the best thing is also that from the image generation, you can then use this for a video generation with VO3 or with Sora, let's say. And this is a huge benefit because then you have everything in one place, and you also save a lot of money because you don't have to choose between 3-4 AI tools. You have everything in one place. And with one payment, you get monthly credits that you can use. But this is something that's a huge game changer for me and helped me a lot in my day-to-day.